Good morning students, it is your maths class. Let's learn the trigonometrical problems. Exercise 6.1 10th problem. A boy standing at a point O finds his kite flying at a point P with distance OP 25 meter. A figure is given. Look at a boy standing at the point P. A kite is flying at the point P. Now the distance is given as 25 meter. It is at the height of 5 meter from the ground. So from the ground it is a height of 5 meter. When the thread is extended by 10 meter from P, it reaches a point Q. Already the kite is in the point P. Now it extended to Q with distance 10 meter. What will be the height Qn of the kite from the ground? So we have to find out this height. Already it is given in the book, that is h. So we have to find out the h. You know, it is a triangle, right angle triangle. We have two triangles over here. One is triangle POM. Next one is triangle QON. There are two right angles. This angle N, M, both are right angles. That means 90 degree. Then I am going to take this angle O as, let angle O as theta. Okay. Next, from this triangle, look at the triangle POM. If it is theta, what is this side? It is opposite side of theta. Then it is hypotenuse. So we know the opposite side and hypotenuse. So what is the formula we can use? Tell me now. We can use theta, the sine theta formula. The formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side value is 5. Hypotenuse value is 25. So that is equal to 1 by 5. When you cancel it, 1 by 5. Okay. Next we can take this triangle. So triangle QON. From this triangle QON, again take sine theta. Sine theta equal to, opposite side is h because we are taking this triangle. So opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is h by hypotenuse length. Look at the length. Up to P 25, then up to Q again 10. So 25 plus 10 equal to 35. So from here you can write the value of sine theta. You know the value of sine theta, that is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 equal to h by 35. Then multiply. So 35 by 5 equal to h. Cancel it. So h equal to 7 meter. This is your answer. Now take your book, page number 330. Here we have a tabular column. It is trigonometrical ratios. You have to learn this trigonometrical ratios. It is very simple. You have to learn each and every values. So I am going to explain how to write the values. Okay. Listen. So it is angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here you have the trigonometrical values sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. I arranged it in the correct order. Listen, if you know one value, you can write the remaining. How? The sin theta value always lies between 0 and 1. So, first value is 0, last value is 1. Also, that should be in ascending order. So, the value will be 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So, this is sin theta value. Remember this, sin theta value always lies between 1 and 0 and 1. Then, just stand and write the value of cos theta. Just stand the value of sin theta, you will get the value of cos theta. So, here cos 0 degree is sin 90 degree. Write this 1. Next value write here. Read 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So, it is easy to learn the both because both are related. Next one, tan theta. Already you learned a formula, that is tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So, using that formula, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, you can write this one. So, divide the both, you will get the answer. 0 by 1 equal to 0. Then, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. When you cancel it, the denominator 2 will be cancelled. Your answer is 1 by root 3. Then when you divide the both, you will get the value as 1. When you divide the both, the answer is root 3. Then here 1 by 0. If the denominator is 0, that is not defined. Okay. So I wrote the formula. I wrote these values using tan theta formula. Tan theta equal to sin by cos theta. Then, if you write this 3 without any mistakes, it is easy to write the remaining order because you know cos theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cos theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Then tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Now write the values. 1 by 0. Otherwise, write the reciprocal of the sin theta. 1 by 0 is not defined. Then 1 by cosecant theta. So always it will be reciprocal. Write the reciprocal of that. 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Next one, cos theta. You know secant theta. You know cos and secant theta are related. Cos and secant theta are related. So if you write the reciprocal of cos theta, that is secant theta. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of this one, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of this, root 2. 2. Now what about this? Reciprocal of 0. That is not defined. Next, cot theta and tan theta are related. So, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Thus write the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Then this one is 0. That means 1 by not defined. That is 0. Okay. So we are going to use this values for examples. Okay. For the example problems. Copy the tabular column in your note and write down the next example 6.5. Example 6.5, evaluate. First problem is sin 30 degree plus cos 30 degree. How can you apply it? If you know the sin 30 degree value, also if you know the cos 30 degree value, you can apply it. Now tell me what is the value of sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, then this plus, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. You know, these denominators are same. You can write as common denominator 2, then 1 plus root 3. This is your answer. Okay, next problem. Tan 60 degree into cot 60 degree. So for this, you should know the value of tan 60 degree, also the value of cot 60 degree. Tell me the value of tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Then multiplication. Then cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. So it is in numerator, it is in denominator. Let's cancel it. Your answer is 1. 1 is this answer. So next problem. Tan 45 degree by tan 30 degree plus tan 60 degree. So for this problem, what are the values you have to know? Tan 45 degree, then tan 30 degree and tan 60 degree. So tan 45 value is 1. Don't forget it. Tan 45 value is 1. Then tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 plus tan 60 degree is root 3. Okay. Now take the LCM. 1 by LCM is root 3. Then 1 plus, already root 3 is there, root 3 into root 3. So that is equal to 1 by 1 plus root 3 into root 3, 3. This one you can write in the numerator because divided by and divide. So this denominator you can write in the numerator into root 3. So that is equal to 1 into root 3 by, then 1 plus 3, 4. This is your answer. Write it. Next problem. Sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. So don't care about this square. Actually this value is sin 45 degree square plus cos 45 degree square. Okay. So don't get confusion if the square is given here. Then sin 45 degree value. What is the value of sin 45 degree? 1 by root 2 square, then plus cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree value is the same thing, 1 by root 2 square. Okay. Then apply the values. 1 square is 1. Then root 2 square plus, then 1 square is 1, root 2 square. Why write this 1? Because 1 square equal to 1. So why? That is equal to, then 1 by, then square of root 2. That means root 2 into root 2. The value is 2. That means the square root and the square will be cancelled. Your answer will be 2. The same thing here. The square root and the square will be cancelled. That is 1 by 2. Common denominator 2. Then 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. This is your answer. Next example, example 6.6. Find out the values of the following. Two problems are there. First we can do the first problem. That is sin 0 degree plus cos 0 degree plus sin 45 degree plus sin 30 degree into sin 90 degree minus cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree. Solution. Okay. Let's write it now first. Cos 0 degree plus sin 45 degree plus sin 30 degree into sin 90 degree cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree. That is equal to, what is the value of cos 0 degree? Cos 0 degree value is 1 plus sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree is plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next. Sin 90 degree value. Sin 90 degree value is 1 minus, this minus, cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Then plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Then take LCM. So LCM of these three terms is 2 and root 2. Then two root 2 plus, here the value is 2. How can you get 2? Root 2 divided by 2 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 will be cancelled. Only 2 remains. Plus, what will be this value? Divide by 2. Cancel the 2 and 2. What will you get? Root 2. The same thing here. LCM 2 and root 2. Here the value is 2 root 2 minus, here the missing term is 2 plus root 2. Okay. Then here you have root 2 and here you have 1 root 2. So 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 root 2, then plus this 2 by 2 root 2. Next term, the same 2 root 2 plus another one more root 2. So totally 3 root 2 minus 2 by 2 root 2. So this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Look at the numerator alone. Look at the numerator. Otherwise, first to write the step. Multiply the both. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Then numerator is 2 plus 2. 3 root 2 minus 2. Look at the numerator. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B formula is A square minus B square. So how can you write this term? Which is equal to A square. This is A, it is B. So 3 root 2 the whole square, then minus B square, this B square 2 square divided by 2 into 2 4 root 2 square. Now we can simplify this. That is equal to 3 root 2 square. So this square will come for 3, also the root 2. So 3 square root 2 square minus 2 square is 4 by 4 into, already I told you, this root 2 root value and the square root and square will be cancelled, only the 2 values remain. Then 3 square is 3 into 3, 9 into this square and square will be cancelled, only 2 will be remain, minus 4 divided by 4 to the 8. That is equal to 18 minus 4 by 8. Subtract it, 14 minus 8. That is equal to, cancel it, 7, 4. So 4 by 7 is your answer. Write down. Same example, second part is tan square 60 degree, 2 tan square 45 degree minus cot square 30 degree plus 2 sin square 30 degree plus 3 by 4 cosecant square 45 degree. Already I told you this tan square 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree the whole square. Okay, so as you write it, tan square 60 degree minus 2 tan square 45 degree minus cot square 30 degree plus 2 sin square 30 degree plus 3 by 4 cosecant square 45 degree. That is equal to, what is the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree value is root 3. So root 3, we have square, so square minus 2 into tan square 45. Tan 45 value is 1, so that is square minus cot 30 value. Cot 30 value is root 3. You have square plus this 2. And sin 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 already you have square. Then plus 3 by 4 cosecant 45 degree is root 2 square. Okay. Then simplify this. As I told you, the square root and square will be cancelled. Only 3 will be remain. Minus 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1 is 1. Minus, tell me this value. Square root and square will be cancelled. Remain only 3. Plus, then 2 into the square. 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, cancel it, 2 will come. Okay, then what is this value? Sorry, 2 into 1 square. So 2 into 1 square is 2. 2 into 1 square is 2. Look at, it is 3, it is minus 3. So, when you subtract, it will be cancelled. 3 minus 3 is 0. So, remaining is minus 2 plus, so cancel this 2 and this 2. Remaining is 1 by 2 plus, then cancel. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So, 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 2. What is the LCM? Next you can take the LCM. LCM is 2. Before doing that, From this step, look at both denominators are 2. So first we can simplify this both. Minus 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. Common denominator 2. That is equal to minus, this is plus symbol, minus 2 plus 4 by 2. Cancel it 2 times. That is equal to minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2. The value is 0. This is your answer. Okay. Next, exercise 6.2, first problem. Verify the following equalities. We have 4 problems. We can do one by one. First, we have to prove sin square theta, sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree equal to 1. So when we simplify this part, the answer will be 1. We have to prove the answer is 1. So write it first. Sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree equal to, already I told you, sin square 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree the whole square. So sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2, there is square, so square, plus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 the whole square, because you have square there. Then root 3 the whole square by 2 square plus 1 square by 2 square. That is equal to root 3 square. Then square root and square will be cancelled. Only 3 will be remain. 3 by 2 square value is 4 plus 1 square value is 1. 2 square value is 4. So common denominator 4. 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 by 4 equal to 1. Hence we prove that. Okay. Second problem. 1 plus tan square 30 degree equal to secant square 30 degree. So when we solve this part, our answer will be this. We have to prove 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to secant square 30 degree. So for take first this. 1 plus tan square 30 degree equal to, then 1 plus tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. The square is there, so the whole square. That is equal to 1 plus 1 square by root 3 square. Then equal to 1 plus 1 square is 1. Square root and square will be cancelled. Only the remaining is 3. Now take the LCM. 3. 1 into 3 is 3 plus 1. That is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Can you prove that 4 by 3 is secant square 30 degree? No. Actually secant 30 degree value is 2 by root 3. Look at the answers are related. We are going to split the 4 by 3 as 2 into 2. 4 as 2 into 2. 3 as root 3 into root 3. Now, shall we write this as 2 square by root 3 square? Yes, that is equal to 2 by root 3 the whole square. Actually 2 by root 3 is secant 30 degree square. Already I told you it is equal to secant square 30 degree. That's all. Then we have 2 more problems. We can learn that tomorrow. Thank you.